Hey guys, tonight I will upgrade the memory on my wife's MacBook. I will use the two 2GB memory modules that I took from my MacBook Pro and replace the MacBook's two 1GB memory modules. I already took out the other screws and there's one more left, so let's go ahead and take this out so we can lift the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the first memory module. Just push the tabs to the side so that the memory pops out. Then slowly pull it out and set it aside. Now let's take out the second memory module using the same process. And there we go. Next, let's install the first 2GB memory module. Just slide the memory in at an angle. Make sure you line the notch on the memory to the tab on the memory slot. Then push it downwards. Now let's install the second 2GB memory module using the same process. And that's it. Now let's place the bottom piece back here and replace the screws. Okay, I'm back. Let's turn the MacBook on. I was about to sell my MacBook Pro's memory modules when I realized that I can also upgrade my wife's MacBook memory since the two laptops use the same memory modules. So now I will just sell the two 1GB memory modules that I extracted from this MacBook. Okay, let's check the specs. And there it is. The MacBook's memory is upgraded from 2GB to 4GB. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching.